In the previous course, we designed this right side for suggestions, and I gave you guys a task to add these links. We just want to give a whole feel and look of the actual Instagram, because right now we're starting off simple, but in the future we're going to work on more advanced stuff like broadcasting, notifications, chat, all that kind of stuff. So for now, we're going to design the mobile navigation, because when we resize this, you see that we're not getting anything on top, just this. We're going to remove this. But if we go to the actual Instagram app, if we resize, giving us this logo, the search, and this heart icon. So let's also do that for our application. So if we resize and go back to application, in here, let's go back. This is the code I added behind the camera. So just collapse this. Let's go to our header. So in here, let's just add a few classes. Here we can just say medium. Want to make it hidden. Want to make it sticky on top. Top is 0 and background white. Here div, let's say grid columns should be 12, and let's say gap to items center. Alright, inside here we're gonna have another element. We can say div dot core span 3. Alright, which means we're also gonna have another one. Let's copy this. This one will be core span let's say 8. Let's add a flex, justify center, and the px of 2. Now down here we're going to have another column element, so it'll be 3, 4, and 1, make it 12. So it's just going to be something like flex and justify center. In here, let's just add a logo. We can say image dot height 12. We can say max width, your width full. Add the alt for good SEO, saying logo. We already have this here. For the source, we can do, let's open the asset. In here we can just search logo. Let me zoom out. This asset logo, this is found in our public assets logo. We added this in like the 3rd video or something, so make sure you have this too. Alright, now in this, the middle one, we're gonna add something here. Let's add an input, type text, placeholder. It's going to be search, class, border 0, outline none, width full, focus. When it's focused, we want to also remove the outline none. We just want to remove all the default classes so we can add that gray background that we saw earlier. Here, background gray, yes, gray 100, and then rounded large. Right, now let's just go ahead. Let's resize this. You see, awesome. Now we have this good looking navigation menu. Right, so let's just remove when we focus on this, let's remove this ring like that. So for that, we can go ahead and say focus, sorry, make sure this is inside the class, focus ring here 0, and also hover ring is 0. Alright, awesome. Now if we go ahead and check here, if we focus or hover, the ring is gone. So this is amazing. Right here on the right side, we're gonna add, let's make this an A tag, let's just add a hash. Inside here, we're gonna have a span element. In here, we're gonna have to go to hero icons and get the heart icon. So here, let's go to hero icon, this website, and then let's search for heart. This one, copy this SVG, let's paste it inside here. It just increase. Actually, before we increase, let me just show you how it's looking like. So now if we go back to our website and then resize it, you see we have this nice, good looking, icon. But I want us to increase the stroke so it can look more thicker. So to do that, let's go back to our code. In here, change the stroke to 1.9. Now if we go back, if you zoom in, you see the stroke is now thicker, like that. Alright, so if we increase this, it should be gone, and then on the medium screens, it should show. So that's good. Now, as our last step, we're going to remove this open drawer because we're not going to use this for our Instagram actually. We're going to create a bottom navigation bar. So let's go ahead and remove this one in our app. So let's open our app. In here, you can see we have this thing called open drawer. Just comment this out. And then now if we go ahead to our code and resize, let's just refresh it, you see that it's gone. Voila, now we have a good looking navigation menu with, scrollable stories, just like the real Instagram, like that. So before we end this chapter and video, let's just do a few things real quick, because here if you see we still have these borders and this height, overflowing height, and we just want to get rid of that because I don't think we need these borders at this point. So to fix that, let's go back to our code editor. In here we can just close that. Let's remove this height, let's remove this border, let's also remove this border and the suggestions, and here on top make sure you add a height to full, otherwise it's going to center it. And then now if you go and refresh, you see that we have this good looking, now it's looking much more, much better. If we refresh, if you go on the small screen, you see it's still scrolling, and on the large screens still working. Now here let's add a few more, let's make it more dynamic. On the right side here in the suggestions, here on this list, we're going to make the list more dynamic. So here let's cut this list, let's do a 4, make sure you get the 4. Here the count should be 5. Inside the 4, paste the code again. Then for the avatar, here make sure I add a hyphen, 2 curly brackets, and .i. The I comes from here, so we can have unique images given. Right, now if we go back and refresh, you see that awesome. Now we have a more good looking, it's now looking much more like the actual Instagram, because if you go, we're going to have a slight difference, but it gives out the whole Instagram vibe. So this is the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next chapter.